Univo has the chain of value starting with the plants and going through the manufacturing, the medical and scientific research, and the distribution system, so that we are not just talking about the flowering, the plants. We are talking about the whole chain, which create a very significant value.
So what would you say to those who say entry from someone like you might be a sign of a bubble in this market?
Well, I think this is certainly not a bubbling market. On the contrary, I think that what will happen, it will take some time, but not too long, that the products that we produce in these companies will then attract the big pharmaceutical companies, the giants, to become involved in this. I think it will be very helpful to many patients of cancer, to many patients of Alzheimer, to many patients of Parkinson, to many patients of other diseases.
Like many places, Israel, despite its very long history of research and development in medical cannabis, outlaws recreational pot use. Does it give you some pause as an investor that this is something that essentially could become illegal in many places, that it actually could go backward the way we've seen in many markets?
We are involved strictly, completely, entirely with medical cannabis, which is legal for medical purposes in Israel and is legal in many civilized places across the world. It's true that the use of psycho drugs and cannabis for psycho use is something that is certainly disturbing, and I'm against it, and I'm opposed to any use of drugs for these.
And I never thought I'd be asking you this, but is cannabis something that you've used, either recreationally or medically?
Have never done so, never. Thank God, I'm strong enough and healthy enough, and I don't need it. But had I suffered, like some friends of mine, from the kind of pains that they suffer because of certain diseases, I would have thanked everyone that could provide me with the painkillers as cannabis is.